This is a beautiful black 1986 El Camino. Still has its original colors, black exterior with a maroon red interior.
Yeah, it's just the way I left the factory.
Yeah.
We found the factory, 2 factory build sheets with it. Really cool car. And a very solid car, done in a real nice driver, kind of a driver condition paint. It's got a great shine. But as we go around this, the paint is not perfect, you guys. It's a driver quality paint with a lot of little dirt specks in the paint, I'm gonna say.
Yep, you can see that kind of on the hood and as
mainly
we go
on the top of the car. I think, like I said, it's a driver quality. We buffed it out. The body and sides of it are really straight and nice. It's still powered by its numbers matching factory 305 4-barrel.
And a lot of options on this thing too, including factory cruise control, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, of course.
Yeah. Factory tack gauges. Really, really nice car. As far as original, nice solid hood under there. It's still original. As far as the paint there, it's got all the original stickers still on it. 5.0 liter here. 95,000 miles, I think, is what's on this one, Dalton. Really cool choo-choo front end on it. Just awesome, cool car.
It has got the choo-choo custom sticker there. Cowl hood, of course. And as we go around it, as we mentioned, an older driver quality paint. So when you get up close, you'll see some little specks, solvent pop in that paint, but body's very straight and it's got a good shine. Gaps are nice from top to bottom. Glass is clear. So you got the original trim, so you do see like a little bit of wear on that original trim, but overall it's in good condition. But it's got a nice mirrored finish. So open the door. Interior to me looks all original, and again it's correct according to the build sheet. So very possibly unchanged interior. So you'll just see some minor wear. But the seats are in good shape, no rips or tears in the seats. There's shoulder belts there. Headliner's in nice shape. Visors are nice and tight, and the dome light works, off the striker. Does have factory tack. All the SS gauges, tilt wheel. Here's your factory cruise control. Power locks, power windows. Power locks work well. Also has a remote mirror. Door panels are in nice shape. Looks like it has been repainted, but corner of the doors are very solid. Doors open and shut nicely. Also on the build sheet, does have the grab handles on the bedside. Those are factory. Trim around the back windows in good shape. Back glass is clear. Box is nice as well. You can tell it's probably been used to haul some things, but overall it's in really nice shape. Front of the wheel, I don't see any bubbles or blisters there. Up over the wheel well. All that looks nice. Back in the rear quarter, looks good as well. Gas cap. And look how that tailgate fits. Tailgate fits really nice as well. So it has the rear bumper guards. What do you think about it, Murph? Do you like it? Just a really neat car. I love the Chevy rallies on there too. Gives it a great look. It's got a nice stance. That dog cracks me up. Hood lines up nice. Again, so does the door, same as the other side. So we do have a couple little maybe bubbles right here in that paint. The rest of the bottom side of the door is nice. Maybe has a little paint run right back there. Again, on the roof you do have a little bit of solvent pop. Back sail's in good shape. Back bumper's nice too, but a lot of the trim appears to be original, so you have maybe some minor wear on that, but overall shows nicely. Again, door panel, same condition as the other side. Nice, original. Corner of the door is solid. Hey. Rubbers are nice and pliable. Dash is in good shape. You have your Super Sport emblem there and your Choo Choo custom emblem there. I think Murphy's saying it's time to go home. Not yet. Seats are in good shape again, appear to be original. Try to figure out how to fold them up. Seat backs are nice. Does have the fold down armrest there. All right, we're gonna take it for a spin. All right, now we're behind the wheel of this El Camino. Gonna see what works, what don't, take it for a spin.
It's got the old factory AM/FM cassette. That works good.
Heater fan works.
It does make just a little bit of noise earlier, but now
Probably because it was cold.
Yeah, it's freaking cold out here today. It's about 10 below zero with the wind chill. But yeah, heater fan works good. Up there's the noise she's making. She growls
squirrels.
a little bit. TAC is not accurate. Gas gauge works. Amp gauge works. 95,100 miles. And just some really cool numbers matching El Camino. Super Sport, huh?
Yep, Super Sport on the dash along with the Choo Choo and Chattanooga CCC incorporated.
Cool. Does have power windows. They work excellent, and so do the brakes. It's got really nice brakes, no pull left or right. Headliner's in great shape. Our dome light works as well. Seats are nice. Dash pad's nice. It's a really good overall car, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Power door locks work.
Yeah. As far as steering goes nice and straight down the road.
Wipers work.
Yep, it's got tilt wheel as well. Kick down works on the transmission. You know, it's just a numbers matching 305 4-barrel, so it's not a super powerhouse, but it gets down the road. We're doing 75 mile an hour and perfectly straight down the road. It's fine.
Yeah, absolutely.
Again, kick down works even at 70. It kicks it right down, 75, 80, 82.
Now we're going to be able to check our brakes here.
Well, I hope they work. And they work awesome. I mean, excellent brakes on it. A previous owner that traded this in, he traded in on a Corvette, pace car Corvette. So, I mean, he drove it. I mean, it was his driver. So
Absolutely. Yeah, neat car. Check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Link is down in the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching.